Hi, good evening. Welcome back to the 24H Trader YouTube channel. And so we will begin our first discussion of the educational content series on how we trade the 24H Traders way. What you should know about how to trade the 24H Traders way. So the first one will be the naked chart analysis. As you can see from my previous videos, I don't use any indicators. It's because I don't use I'm using naked chart analysis. So basically, a naked chart analysis is the basic template of the chart of the pair, and we don't use any indicators. So that is the first one. So the typical how you identify a naked chart analysis is that we don't use indicators. That is the number one rules. We don't use indicators. I've been trying different. I had tried different indicators in the past, and I found out that there are um, lack of accuracy in the indicators. So I stopped using indicators right now. So the first one is no indicators whatsoever, because indicators only read what happened in the past, and I believe it cannot predict the future where the market would go. So yeah, no indicators whatsoever. And the second part is it is a purely price action trading. So we don't use indicators. We are purely price action trading. We use the candlestick pattern, support resistance, and also we use multiple time frame analysis. So yeah, purely price action trade. And number three, it is multiple time frame. As I said previously, yeah, we use multiple time frame analysis, and I'm using the rules of 30. Rules of 30. So I trade mostly on the H1 time frame. So first of all, of course, I need to check the monthly time frame first, see if there's any support or resistance area, any schematic, because I'm using the Wyckoff schematic. Then I check on the weekly time frame, and then on the daily time frame. So basically, it's very important for me. The most important part for me is to check the monthly time frame, daily time frame, and the H1, because I use the rules of 30. So yeah, I will explain in the future about the rules of 30. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I will explain uh, one by one on how to analyze the market the 24H traders way. So this is, for example, this is the daily time frame. As you can see that the market has broken this neckline right here, this resistance neckline. This is light blue box, and it's going up, and most probably it will pick up the upper blue box. Um, that's the institutional candle that I'm using. So if you'd like to sell the market, if you want to open sell trades, just wait till market reach that upper blue box. So yeah, that's multiple time frame analysis. But as I said, this one is on the daily time frame, while I'm trading on the H1 or the 1 hour time frame. So I need to change it to the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, we can see different uh, similar chart. Uh, if we for beginners, you cannot differentiate the charts. It's because they are similar. The chart, the candles, they are very similar. So if you are already adapted to multiple time frame analysis, you will understand that on different time frames you will see different schematics, but you will meet the same rules, the same trading rules. So it doesn't matter whether you trade on the 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame, the 1 hour time frame like myself, or on the longer time frame, on the higher time frame, on the daily time frame or the weekly time frame, you can still use the same rules, because in multiple time analysis you will see that that the that, that the candlesticks, the candlestick pattern, they are similar and the same rules applied. Multiple time frame analysis for 24-hour trader is very important, because we don't want to be caught on a higher time frame schematic. So for example, if I trade on the 5 minute time frame and then I see a schematic like an accumulation schematic, the Wyckoff schematic, an accumulation, and so I bid buy for the accumulation, for the market to pick up the higher uh, the, 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 the higher price. But when I check on the 1 hour time frame, it is on the progress of the distribution schematic. So I should open sell instead of buy. So yes, it's very important for you to see where the market position is on the different time frame. But please focus on which time frame you are trading. For me, the 24 traders way, we trade on the 1 hour time frame. So I always check on the daily time frame to see if there's any schematic. If you see that this uh, daily time frame is actually now uh, mostly most likely the market will go up even longer, even higher than how it go up right now, how it has gone up right now. It will most probably it would go even higher. But as again, as I well, for this is my rules, that we must not assume that we know where the market will go, so that we will need to have a better trading plan. So yep, that's the third thing, multiple time frame analysis. And then I combine the multiple time frame analysis with the support resistance. If you check my previous videos, the last week's video about the weekend analysis, that's when I analyze and paste my support and resistance. As you can see that I have different colors on my chart, different lines, different colored lines. I have black lines, I have the brown lines, I have the blue lines, and I have the orange line. So for new subscriber, new if this is the first time you see or you watch my video, uh, let me elaborate to you. The black lines are the support or resistance from the monthly time frame. The black lines are the support and resistance from the monthly time frame. The brown lines are the support and resistance from the daily time frame. The brown lines are the support and resistance from the daily time frames. It means those two lines, the brown lines and the black lines, are the strongest support and resistance area, while the blue lines, the dotted blue lines, are from the 1 hour time frame, and support resistance from 1 hour time frame. Because I traded mostly on 1 hour time frame, so the 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 brown lines and the black lines are the stronger support resistance area. So if it's the first retest, I can be sure that the market will bounce from that area. So I have nothing to worry to open any buy or any sell position when market reaches that area. If it is the first retest of the area, the market will bounce. And the orange line is actually the pivot, the pivot point. Uh, that is for the morning trading plan. I always use pivot point for the morning trading plan. So uh, it's Sunday. and tomorrow is Monday. So tomorrow morning I will upload my the morning trading plan videos for tomorrow morning. So please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and you will get the and ring notification bell so that you will get any notification, any updates from my new videos. And then number 5, I always combine with different tools. In the past, I always combine with Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, I was previously Fibonacci trader. Then I now use schematic, Wyckoff schematic, because I found out that I don't know, there are ups and downs in using the Fibonacci retracement. So not only use the support resistance and also the Wyckoff schematic, but I I can assure you that Fibonacci retracement is highly recommended. Uh, Sometimes I use it, but now I use chart pattern. So the third thing is a candlestick chart pattern. I always combine with candlestick pattern. For example, like a bullish rectangle. Let me check. I have bullish rectangle right here. This yellow box is actually a bullish rectangle, and as you can see that the market went up and entered this bullish rectangle. There is 4 points here, A, B, C, and D. Then market went up even higher. That is the bullish rectangle. I will explain more in the future about candlestick patterns. So make sure that you like my videos, that you subscribe my videos and ring the notification bell so that you will get any updates for my new videos. So that's it. That's the first part of the educational videos that I will post on weekly basis, because on Monday until Friday I will only upload the trading plan so that everyone can focus on the trading, and then on the weekend on Sunday I will post the educational videos on how you can analyze the market yourself, the 24H traders way. So yeah, so that on weekdays, Monday to Friday, I will upload the morning trading plan on gold. But this strategy you can use it on any pairs. I use it on gold because it gives me more profit quickly. But of course, yes, you need to make sure that you're not tempted to uh, get more profit. Just play safe. Play safe is always better. So yes, that's the first part. Naked chart analysis. Let's sum it up. Number one is no indicators. Number two, it's purely price action trading. Number three is it's multiple time frame analysis. I combine it with multiple time frame analysis with the rules of 30. The monthly time frame, the daily time frame, and the 1 hour time frame, the hourly time frame. Then I use the support resistance. I use different line colors on my chart is to for me to identify different support resistance from different time frame. And number five, I combine it with other tools like Fibonacci retracement, Wyckoff schematic, but mostly I use the candlestick pattern and the Wyckoff schematic, whether it's accumulation or distribution. And so yeah, please make sure that you subscribe my channel, because I will share more in the future on uh, how to analyze the market properly. So thank you. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Please write down in the comment section. Then I will answer your question there. So the first part, that's it. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for being my subscribers also. You're awesome guys. Let's make profit. Thank you.